Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are tired of waiting for your downloads on Google Chrome, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into 5 simple fixes to speed up your Chrome downloads. Stick around because these tweaks could make a significant difference. So let's jump right in. So my first step would be clear browsing data. The cache and cookies can sometimes accumulate over time and slow down Google Chrome. So clear them regularly to improve performance. So for that, first we need to open our Google Chrome browser. And in the upper right hand corner you will find 3 vertical dots. Just click on this and in the list scroll down and you will find settings. Just click on this. Once the setting page will open, in the left hand side you will find privacy and security. Just click on this and in the right hand side you will find clear browsing data. Just click on this and from here you can clear browsing history, cookies and other size data and cache image and files. To remove the Google cache image and files, I need to select this and click on clear data. This will remove your cached image and files. So my next step would be remove unnecessary extension. So sometimes extension can slow down your Chrome browser, especially if you have a lot of them installed. Okay, so for that, once again click on the 3 dots in the right hand side and here you will find extension. Select this and in the left hand side click on manage extension. After that, the extension page will appear and here you will find all of your extension. So try disabling some of your extension to see if that helps or not. Okay, you just click on remove so that the extension will be removed. Otherwise you can toggle this off. So my third step would be use secure DNS. Switching to your more secure DNS server can improve speed up your connection and improve your download speed also. Okay, to use secure DNS you have to click on the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner, then select settings. And in the left hand side click on privacy and security. So here you have to just click on security. Once the security page will open, you need to scroll down and from here you will find secure DNS. So determine how to connect to a website over a secure connection. In your case it should select with your current service provider. So for a better surfing experience or better downloading speed in Google, you need to select with and from the and select a secure DNS provider. Okay, so here you will find lots of DNS provider. You can Open DNS, Google Public DNS, Next DNS, Clear Browsing, Cloudflare DNS. So for the better experience you need to click any of this. So here I have to select Google DNS. So this could definitely fix your Google Chrome slow download and also increase your overall surfing experience. So my fourth step would be enable parallel downloading. So Chrome has a hidden features called parallel downloading that can speed up the download process. So to enable parallel downloading you need to open Chrome and type Chrome :/flags and press on enter. In the search flag you need to search for parallel downloading. And in the available flags you will find parallel downloading. And besides this, default is selected. So you need to click here and in the drop down list you have to select enable so that the parallel downloading speed will be enabled. And after that you have to click on relaunch. It will relaunch the Chrome browser. And my final step would be turn off background apps. Chrome loves to run background apps, but they can slow down your system. So you need to turn off the background apps. So for that, first you need to once again click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. After that click on settings. Once the setting page will open, in the left hand side you need to scroll down and select system. Now you need to toggle off continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. This can free up resources and improve the overall performance of your browsers. So these are the 5 steps. So if you following these 5 steps, you can definitely fix Google Chrome slow downloading problem and also increase Chrome speed. So if you are still having problem, you can try restarting your computer, or you can also reinstall your Chrome browser once again. Okay, so that's it. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content, and also hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.